Here we are with the Apple Vision Pro, and then we've got the Man-Lab Immersivity, and we've got
248.
we've got to head out of the door.
All right. Are you recording? You're recording, right?
Yep. Yep.
Okay, Ibrahim, let's do it.
Wait, what are you?
I'm gonna regret this. I'm gonna regret
You can
this.
slip it up if you have trouble seeing or whatever. But
Let's go! Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, good. All right, you got a good photo, right?
Yep.
Okay. You got it?
okay.
Okay. Count us down.
That way. Move in that way. Oh.
Count us down.
All right. 4, 3,
Good
2,
camera.
1. Cold blood.
Or that.
You don't
Say-
have to do snow angels though, it's okay.
Say hi to the camera.
Go.
Woo! I have an interview in 10 minutes!
Come around the other side. Shoot from the top as well too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Woo!
It's snowing.
Huh? Hey, hi.
You're recording, right?
Yep.
No! Hey! 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 Oh no! Yeah, you are. Yeah, good. That's awesome. Good.
All right.
Yay.
Woo.
Woo.
There you go.
Yeah. All right.
Alright, let's run back.
One group selfie.
Oh yeah. Yeah, let's do the selfies up here.
All right. All together now.
Yeah.
Solid. 1, 2, 3.
Yep. I took a few photos as well.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
252.
Good.
Good?
Yes.
Incredible. Good job, bro.
All right.
It's a good thing that you did it. Good job, bro. Nice. Bonus point.
Hallelujah.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Joe. Thank you.
Oh, bit of wire. Yeah. Yes. Alpha Vision Pro, Metacross 3.